Hey folks, if you're watching this video, you are either someone looking forward to start a business or someone who is frustrated with your current job. I am Barath Natarajan at Tech PM, working in one of the world's biggest tech companies. I am here to share some tips to my friends and viewers to help them grow. Last week, a friend, a software professional, had a conversation with me, and this is how it went.
It's AI updates.
Big AI update.
China is back with a crazy AI model.
About AI, machine learning.
On its feed, AI technology could...
Thanks to artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence and quantum computing.
AI is everywhere, isn't it? Layoffs are pretty common. AGI, Artificial General Intelligence, is taking over human workforce. As more and more automations comes in, the need for human workforce will eventually slow down. So what's the solution? Should I start my own business, or become a consultant, or become stress-free by doing something which I like? Can you please give me a suggestion? And that became the inspiration for this video. Before diving deep, let's start with a simple question. What is a business? Put it simply, a business is something which sells goods, products, or services in exchange of money. Essentially, you are solving a problem for someone. It can be a product or a service or even goods. Now, why should someone want to buy your goods? The answer is quite simple. They are in need of your resources. But does every business start with a need? The answer is no. Let's dive deeper into the next layer. Why should someone want your resources? The answer is so simple. They have a pain or a problem that they can't solve on their own. Let's get into some practical examples. Imagine a person X who has a stomach pain. He has an unbearable pain that needs to be addressed immediately. The doctor acts as a consultant by offering medicines or treatments to alleviate excess pain and in return of fees. Let's step back and reiterate what we have learned. What businessmen, entrepreneurs, or even business magnates are doing is solving larger problems for humanity, not just for individuals. Think of Elon Musk, one of the richest people in the world. What is he solving? He is not just building products like Tesla and SpaceX. He is solving the problems for sustainable transportation and taking humans to multiple planets. Similarly, think of the founder of Ola, Bhavesh Agarwal. He is solving the problem of unreliable and inconvenient transportation in India. Think of the scale of the problem that they are solving. They are not solving this for one person or 10 people. They are solving it for the entire humanity, and hence they are the richest people in the world. Now, start thinking about the problems you encounter daily and the products you use. They are all solutions provided by businesses. Understanding this will help you appreciate the importance of business in our daily lives. Here is the question that's running in your mind, right? How can you become the Elon Musk or Bhavesh Agarwal in the next 10 to 20 years? Firstly, can you even become like them? The answer is a big S. There is a famous quote, when you are in the right place at the right time. That's not just a chance, it's called luck. You are lucky today because you are in the right place and the right time at the right channel. As you all know, we have revamped the channel. We will include business related contents in our channel. We are going to go through the list of 10 steps for the ultimate beginners in business in this series, breaking them into simple learnable way. Let's start by understanding these steps. Firstly, identify your business idea. Discover what you are really passionate about and good at and find a market demand for it. Secondly, conduct market research. Find your target audience, do market research, and understand your competitor. Number 3 is to create a business plan. Number 4 is to create a business structure. Up 5 is to register your business. Number 6 is the most important and essential thing in running a business, is to set up your finances. Up 7 is to develop your marketing plan. Number 8 is to build your team. Number 9 is to launch your business. Last but not least, and the most important thing, is to monitor it and adjust the strategies with the feedbacks that comes up. We will go through all these steps in detail in the upcoming video series to help you understand and grow your business empire. Stay tuned for what's coming up and share this video with your friends, colleagues, or anybody who is passionate about starting a business.